Okay, so Tony here again. Today I'm probably going to do a little rundown of a few things that I bought at the thrift store, as well as some items that I bought at the dollar store. The dollar store is actually, I'll start with that. The dollar store is actually one of the best places to get canning lids right now. And they are Bernardin, which is equivalent to Ball in the US. As a matter of fact, they're both manufactured by the same company. Yes, at $2 for a box of 12, it's a deal. Any place else I'd be paying perhaps even double that. And I go through so many canning jars every year that, and especially this year, I've been doing so much jam that, yeah, I wanted to stock up. Tomato season is coming soon, and that is my big canning project for the year. I do at least 3 bushels for myself, which is equivalent to 150 pounds, because we use it for pasta sauce. We make a lot of pasta. I'm Italian. We live off the stuff. As well as pizzas and chili. That's mainly what I use the sauces for. They can be used for other things, but those are the 3 main uses that I have for tomato sauce. Now, as I said, I do at least 3 bushels for myself. Now, the lady that I am gardening at her farm, she wants to do a bunch with me. One time we did about 13 bushels together. She was mad. She really wanted to do a lot. She wanted 10 for herself. This year she says no, she'll only do about 3. And I suggested that doing 3 for her one day and 3 for me another day, like I could do 3 in a day with the equipment that I have with very little trouble. But more than that, it just gets to be very tiresome. And I do have a tomato puree machine, so that it really makes the job go quick. I mean, it's never quick to process 3 bushels, 150 pounds of tomatoes, but with that equipment, it certainly is a whole lot better. Okay, now to my thrift store buys for the week, and I'll get right back to you. Okay, anybody that has watched my videos for a while knows that I'm a bit of a canning jar hoarder, and I went to the local thrift shop and found they had quite a few mason jars, but I selected 1 box only because they had these beautiful half-pint wide mouth jars. Mostly we have 4, 8, 12 in this box. 2 of them are the regular mouth, and the balance are the floral wide mouth. And actually, this one is the newer style. I know because I've purchased them, whereas this one is the older style. It's a little more bumpy. Anyway, I didn't really have a chance to check for chips. I will be doing that, obviously, before I use them and discard anything that is damaged. I also throw away the rings, even though that one looks brand new, as does that one. You don't know where they may or may not have been used, so I throw them away. The rings, of course, I keep if they are in good shape, and that's definitely a used ring or lid. And so far, I'm not finding anything with chips, which is really nice. I don't know that I need these, but I can't resist. Yes, no chips. Really can't do this at the store because of the way they packaged it to get it out, but unfortunately the person who was giving them away did not give away damaged product. I've seen that before though. Okay, no, they're all in great shape. So I've got 3, 6, 9, 10 of the wide mouth and 2 regular mouth for $3.99. So that's definitely a score. Now that, and with my dozen boxes of regular mouth lids, I'm going to be ready for canning season. Alright, the next item I have is this set of 2 hand-blown glass watering tubes. And let's see if I can get that properly there. Yes. Okay. And these were $2.99 for the set of 2, and I did check them before I brought them out of the store. And there are 2 of them in there. Quite pretty. I'll put one of these in my bay tree, and the other one I have no idea where I'm going to use, but I'll use it in one of my plants. So they are 2. Waters plants perfectly for up to 2 weeks. Okay. Next item was a book. I like books, and this is a novel by Umberto Eco, who is the author of The Name of the Rose. He's quite an interesting author. I have read some of his books before, and The Name of the Rose was made into a movie with Sean Connery, I believe. So, good movie. So I picked that one up for, I think, $3 maybe. The last item was a little bit unusual. They are golf clubs, and I do not golf, but they are leather. Now, golf clubs always come in singles. They do not come in a set, and 99% of the time they're white. Now, I know this because my daughter and my husband both golf, and I did get, like, you either buy a left hand or a right hand, and I decided that, well, I would try and find a pair, and since I don't golf, I might be able to use them for, oh, I don't know, driving. They're nice leather, soft, very soft leather, so I might use them as driving gloves in the winter. But at $2 a piece, I understand that these are, even the cheapest ones are at least $10 a piece, so $20 for a pair of gloves, and I paid $4 for a pair of white leather gloves. Yes, I know they're white, and white will get dirty quickly, but they're lovely anyway. So, okay, so those are my thrift store purchases for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And we'll see you on the next one.